Hi everyone, Ryan Derksen here from Ens Toyota. Today we are on location at Bruce's Cycle. I'm here with my good buddy Dave. Morning, Dave.
Morning.
Today I want to talk about bike transportation. Now I have gone the route of a little truck. With my Tacoma Dino here, I can transport 5 bikes very quickly, very easily using a Thule tailgate pad, available both here at Bruce's Cycle and at Ens Toyota. But Dave, how did Neil and Susan do it?
So Neil and Susan have gone a different route. They went with racks. So they have a Thule T2 Pro on the back, which holds 2, and you can get an extension for 2 more. They have 2 Thule sidearms for up top. And also, if they put the seats down, they can do 2 bikes laying down in the back as well.
And from what I'm told, that's why they chose the RAV4 Hybrid. 6 bikes fairly easily. But my question today is, using just a normal Corolla hatchback, how many bikes can we get in without using any fancy racks or anything special at all? What do you think, Dave?
I think we can do 3 for sure, maybe 4.
All right, let's try it out.